next, viewers, tracking breaking developments with respect to Kalicharan Das, where in fact a massive outrage had broken out over hate speech at Chhattisgarh Dharam Sansad, where Seer Kalicharan Das had been in fact arrested from Raipur now. And Kalicharan Maharaj had been arrested now for derogatory remarks against Mahatma Gandhi in a public forum where he was in fact hailing the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. And for more perspective on the story, let's listen in to this conversation with Narottam Mishra by my colleague Satya Vijay.
कालीचरण महाराज उनकी गिरफ्तारी पर आपने कुछ वैधानिक सवाल खड़े किए।
मेरी आपत्ति है जो तरीका था छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार का, कांग्रेस की सरकार का, महाराज की गिरफ्तारी के पहले सूचना देनी थी, नहीं तो बाद में सूचना देते तत्काल वहाँ थाने ले जाके। दोनों बातें नहीं की गई। संदेश के माध्यम से जब पहले मीडिया से जानकारी आ गई, फिर पुलिस जानकारी देती है, फिर विज्ञप्ति जारी करती है। वेलेबल धाराएं थी, वो नोटिस देके भी जा सकते थे, वो वेल भी ले सकते थे, लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ कि जो तरीका अपनाया गया बहुत खराब है। मैंने डीजीपी मध्य प्रदेश को कहा है कि डीजीपी छत्तीसगढ़ से आपत्ति दर्ज कराएं इस तरीके पर और अपना विरोध दर्ज कराएं स्पष्ट रूप से।
And we heard that conversation with Narottam Mishra, and we have seen how earlier the Seer Kalicharan Das had been seen on a public forum making several statements and hailing the assassination of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and had also been making very unconstitutional remarks with violation of several articles, including the Article 51A of the Constitution. And that is why an FIR had also been registered against the Seer Kalicharan Das and for his remarks against the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And now we see that Kalicharan Das, in fact, has been arrested. And for more details on this, let me go across to my colleague Sumi, who's joining us on the broadcast. Sumi, Kalicharan Das now been arrested, and what more are you picking up from your sources with respect to the investigation that is now due against him as well?
Yes, absolutely. The Seer Kalicharan, who had recently made a very derogatory remark on the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, has now been arrested by the Raipur police from the Khajuraho town. In fact, from a dham which is 25 kilometers away from Khajuraho town in the state of Madhya Pradesh. And in fact, it was not done constitutionally as claimed by the Bharatiya Janata Party, the ruling government of Bharatiya Janata Party in Madhya Pradesh. We heard the conversation with the State Home Minister Narottam Mishra, and he raised several questions as to how no information was given by the Raipur police after the arrest of the Seer Kalicharan. But so far, what we know, a case has already been registered in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and in fact, another case has been registered in Maharashtra as well. Seer Kalicharan landed himself in a bowl of hot soup after he made derogatory remarks on the father of our country, and he also hurls abuses at him. In fact, he also urged all of the saints to elect a very staunch religious leader who can protect the Hindu religion and work towards making India a Hindu Rashtra. And apart from that, he also hailed the assassin of the Mahatma Gandhi, the assassin of the father of the nation, Nathuram Godse. And after that, we had seen various political parties raising objections to his comments. And in fact, the convener of the Sansad Dham, which went on for 2 days in Chhattisgarh, has in fact distanced himself from the entire incident. And he also objected to the comments that were made. And Bharatiya Janata Party also raised its objection. And we had seen how Congress had strongly come out against Seer Kalicharan, and now Chhattisgarh administration has taken it a step ahead by arresting him from Khajuraho town in Madhya Pradesh.
Well, Sumi, rightly you're pointing out that the Chhattisgarh machinery, in fact, has taken action. Stay on with us. Let's listen into this conversation with Bhupesh Baghel, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh.